In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property, and room category and facilities also. As you can see in the screen, resort location and here is the nearby attractions and market also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.1, which is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details they provide, including information about the cuisine, ambience, open for and lively options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this resort, so you can see on the screen. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this resort. The location of the resort is excellent for guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this resort is 2 p.m. Check-out time is 11 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this resort, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking a room in this resort, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check in the description. If you have already checked out from this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.